Greetings from the Riu Palace in Costa Mujeres. This is a brand new Riu, less than a year old. Lovely and cool because it's hot outside. It's June and it is 32 degrees today. But there's lots of seating here to relax. These are the grounds of the Riu. Very lush, beautiful flowers. All the rooms have glass balconies, so it's nice to sit on your balcony and be able to see out to the water. This is a room, a junior suite at Riu Costa Mujeres. Brand new building. I love the colors. So we have a sofa. Does this pull out into a bed?
Yes, there are some room categories that come with the sofa bed.
Perfect, perfect. A desk for working. And most of these rooms face the garden, and it's because they've designed this resort where it mostly is ocean view for the restaurants. So we can see them in the background. Flat screen TV, drawers, a luggage rack. And here's your alcohol, Bacardi, Smirnoff, Beefeater, and coffee. There's regular and decaffeinated. And the mini fridge is well stocked. So there's Pepsi, Fanta, Canada Dry, water, and beer. You couldn't ask for more. How often is this replenished?
Every day.
Every day. And this Riu has 24-hour room service. So that's a nice plus. USB ports, beautiful bed, gorgeous tub, double vanities, and there's your amenities, and a hairdryer, so you need not bring yours from home, and shower with a rainfall shower head. This is very lovely. It feels very fresh and clean and modern. Now you know why the rooms face the garden, because all the activities, the restaurants are facing the ocean. What a great choice of design. Lots of pools, lots of shaded area, lots of umbrellas and chairs. And we're walking down a corridor where all the restaurants are. And this is, how do you pronounce that? Sarapa. And what kind of restaurant?
Mexican.
Mexican. All right. Okay, let's continue down our...
In the maps, you will see something.
And this is a theater, correct?
I love this theater. They're beautiful.
The Rius are always great at nightly entertainment. Ooh, and you get a nice cool breeze. You're on the 3rd floor here, I think. We are at the Square Garden Bar. And do you think I love the colors of pink? You know I do. There's a piano, comfortable chairs, and all the cushions are pink. So you can sit here and have a cocktail and look at the ocean. This is so refined and elegant. And then over here is a coffee shop. This is beautiful. So let's wander over and see what they have to serve. Hola! And this is called Cappuccino. Cookies, Sliders, croissant, sandwiches, yogurt. If you just wanted to get out of the heat for a little bit and have something to drink and a cookie or a muffin, this is your place. This is stunning. This is the Italian restaurant. It's beautiful. You can have something to eat in the air conditioning, or you can come out here and sit and look at the view. If you're coming to the Caribbean, why wouldn't you want to have a view of the ocean? And at the Rius, there are no reservations required. So if you're wanting to dine at 6, 6:30, 7, come to the restaurant. And if by chance they're a little bit busy, they will give you a puck that will vibrate when the table becomes available. So what could be better than that? They have 5 pools, and they have one that is handicapped, adaptable, so you can actually wheel your wheelchair into the room. They've got entertainment going on, and there's the swim-up bar, tequila. And if you want to have a snack without having to go back to your room and get dressed, there's a snack bar there, and you can just order whatever you like in your bathing suit and come back and sit in your chair. Now, doesn't that look inviting? There's swim-out suites facing the ocean and just steps away to the pool. What could be more perfect than that? Riu Palace in Playa Mujeres. We're at the Steakhouse, and you get lobster anytime you like. And at this restaurant, at night it can be used for semi-private, so there certainly would be nothing wrong with this for a semi-private. This can also be used for a semi-private dinner. This is lovely. This is called Lounge 24. Open 24 hours a day. So you can watch TV, have a little snack. I just had a bit of a sandwich, and help yourself to juice, water. Lovely.